Today, I'm taking a quick but honest look at the KTM 790 Duke in 2026 and asking the real question, is it still worth your money? So first impressions, this bike hasn't lost its edge. It still carries that aggressive street fighter attitude that KTM is known for. The 799cc parallel twin is punchy, responsive, and honestly still one of the most fun engines in the middleweight naked category. It pulls hard in the mid-range, which makes city riding and backroad blasts equally addictive. Now, in 26, competition has gotten tighter. Bikes are more refined, more tech-heavy, and in some cases more comfortable. But the 790 Duke fights back with simplicity and raw riding feel. The TFT display is still clean and easy to read, and the rider aids, like traction control and riding modes, are useful without being overwhelming. Where it shows its age a bit is refinement. Low-speed fueling isn't the smoothest compared to newer rivals, and long-distance comfort is just okay, not great. But here's the bottom line. If you want character, sharp handling, and pure fun per dollar, the 790 Duke still delivers. If you want luxury and polish, there are better options now. Overall, still a weapon, just not the newest one in the shed.